Welcome to another exciting Tuesday episode of EATON Detroit Spring's 1 Minute Monday. When this heart-throbbing episode is done, you will know all there is to know about when is it time to replace my springs. Sometimes people wonder when is the right time to replace the springs on their vehicle. Just because your vehicle is old, and chances are so are its springs, does not mean the springs need to be replaced. We like to say, if she sits okay, and if she rides okay, and you do not see anything broke in the springs, then leave them alone. They're just fine. Let us know just how much you enjoyed this video by hitting the like button. And by hitting the subscribe button, you will not miss any of our upcoming highly educational videos. And finally, when you are ready to get your American-made leaf and coil springs, head over to www.EATONDetroitSpring.com. Thank you, and who else do you know who we can help?